Well, news just coming in, we are told that Navjot Singh Sidhu has reportedly abandoned security before leaving from Patiala to Delhi. Now, we're also told that he has reportedly arrived in an undisclosed location for a meeting with senior Congress leaders. Now, do remember that Navjot Singh Sidhu was in Delhi yesterday as well, and we were hearing that he will be meeting senior Congress leadership, but that meeting did not take place yesterday. I'm going to go across to Amandeep now. Amandeep, good morning. Give us more details about what you are hearing in terms of who's going to be meeting, Navjot Singh Sidhu today, because there has been really no clarity forthcoming from the senior leadership of the Congress party.
Well, exactly, Nupur. That is the reason everyone was trying to search where was Navjot Singh Sidhu yesterday. Just because when he left from Patiala, it was expected that he will be reaching Punjab Bhavan in New Delhi, and then he will be meeting Rahul Gandhi, discussing all this internal crisis going in Punjab Congress. But before reaching to Punjab Bhavan in New Delhi, Navjot Singh Sidhu has abandoned his security and convoy. He shifted himself to a private car and moved to some undisclosed location. And even our sources inside the Congress party revealed that Sidhu held a secret meeting with the senior party leaders and discussed the entire scenario. Just because there are certain eyebrows that has been raised after the Sidhu's office flashed the message with the confirmation that he will be meeting Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra on 29th, and even that meeting is being scheduled at New Delhi. But when he reached at New Delhi, he abandoned the security, he left alone in a private car to some undisclosed location, and even held a meeting with the senior party leaders. And on the other side, Rahul Gandhi office denied that no such meeting was scheduled with Navjot Singh Sidhu. There are certain circumstances that raises so many questions on this. What exactly is cooking inside the Congress party, and even especially among these three leaders, Navjot Singh Sidhu, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Rahul Gandhi? Just because the scheduled meeting that was flashed by the Navjot Singh Sidhu's office now being cancelled, and even confirmed by the Rahul Gandhi office that it was not a scheduled meeting and nothing has been held.
Okay.
And even most surprising thing is, and even today morning, the entire security and convoy of Navjot Singh Sidhu again left for Punjab Bhavan to some undisclosed location to pick Navjot Singh Sidhu. Just because yesterday,
Amandeep, it's very intriguing.
Left from Patiala to New Delhi.
Amandeep, it's very intriguing what's happening in the Congress party. Every day we seem to be hearing that there are going to be a series of meetings. By the afternoon, all of that news then fizzles out. And thereafter, the next morning, we again hear that there are going to be meetings. And this, of course, has been going on for the past week or so. Now, what is it that you're hearing from your sources within the Congress party? What is really happening?
There is a kind of story that is cooking with Navjot Singh Sidhu. There are certain circumstances that either not in favor of Navjot Singh Sidhu. That is why these secret meetings are being held by the senior party leaders with Navjot Singh Sidhu. Just because before this, Nupur, we remember that Rahul Gandhi held several meetings with the party leaders of Punjab Congress, either the MLAs, MPs and cabinet ministers as well. But when it comes to the Navjot Singh Sidhu, why this entirely meeting that was scheduled and confirmed by Navjot Singh Sidhu office denied all of a sudden by Rahul Gandhi office that no meeting was scheduled? And then how Navjot Singh Sidhu flashed the message to the entire media in Punjab that the meeting is being fixed with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Rahul Gandhi on 29th, and even the meeting will be held in New Delhi. So that is the reason he was left from Patiala yesterday morning at 10:40 a.m. But what exactly is happening? What they are looking into the Punjab Congress? Is there any secret meeting and secret conversation is being held for the Punjab Congress? Either it is against the Navjot Singh Sidhu or in favor of Navjot Singh Sidhu, just because the final decision is supposed to be taken by Sonia Gandhi. And this is a very proved fact that Sonia Gandhi is inclined towards Captain Amrinder Singh, and Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is having a soft corner for Navjot Singh Sidhu. And
all right.
Even this conversation, when this message came out, certain eyebrows has been raised on this entire scenario, that either Congress is going to resolve this paradoxical situation in the Punjab Congress, or they still wanted to sustain it and keep it as a suspense. Yes, Nipur.
Absolutely. Amandeep, of course, you know, we've been tracking this for nearly 10 days now, and there seems to be very little resolution in sight as far as the Punjab unit of the Congress party is concerned. But thank you very much for joining us this morning, Amandeep.